Two of the old Fluke Rugged meters. Yeah, next to the 79 Series 2 and the 189. Hell, they're the big chunky boys. So we got 1986 versus 2003, I think. They're the same meter, just 18 something years apart. Watching the bar graphs go. Hell yeah, man. Let's see. 72 volts. See, 72. Oh, they all right on. Those are the big chunky meters. They got that 27.2, the super tough meter. These are rated, as far as I know, almost as tough as that. They're just not waterproof. So these things are big and badass. The tough meters. And look at it compared to the 70s we usually look at. And hell, even at 189, I thought it was huge. But dang, these things are great. I love them.